how to make this. Hi, my name is Zach. It's this. Hi, my name is Zach. Well, it's not pretty good, but this is right. Come on. Like this. Hi, my name is Zach. But yeah. Okay, first go on menu and then press image. And then go to the whiteboard and then just from the right. Just like that. You can also turn down the volume and record yourself. But you have to when you voice you want. But yeah, let's put it all the way there and then put it up and press start. Like this. And that's what it looks like. Now I see here, I'll go up and then you see that the voice recording, the noise like that. Yes, and then do it. And it's already completed already. And now you just have to do like this. Hi, my name is Zach, and today we're going to do some cool things today. Wait, let's do one more time. Hi, my name is Zach, and today we're going to do some cool things today. Good. Now, if you want to go here, you can go to this website called Kinemater. It's got the video editor and 25%. Nope. Just look at me, right? I can. What?